RUDEC, a not-for-profit organisation in the northwest region of Cameroon, is seeking funding of approximately $9,000 to purchase 2 motorbikes in order to provide routine and emergency health and welfare support to orphans in remote hilly locations. RUDEC currently supports over 50 orphans and intends to have almost 100 on its lists. With a weekly visit via motorbike, RUDEC will be able to check on the orphans' health, nutrition and school attendance. If you or your employer would like to contribute some or all of the required funding, then please make contact at www.rudec.org/contact. That's www.rudec.org/contact.